to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to make Tutti Frutti cake. It's my favorite for the Spring Festival food. So let's begin! To make our Tutti Frutti cake, we are first going to add half a cup of butter in a large bowl. We're going to use room temperature ingredients to make our cake fluffy. After mixing our butter thoroughly for 2 minutes, we're going to add half a cup of powdered sugar. I'm just going to mix this up. I have whisked this for 2 more minutes and it is now a pale yellow color. To this, add half a cup of milk at room temperature. In a sieve, we are going to add 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. After mixing, this is the consistency you need. You can also add more milk if needed. I have half a cup of Tutti Frutti, and we're going to add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. And we're just going to mix it until all the Tutti Frutti are coated. We are doing this step because we do not want the Tutti Frutti to settle down at the bottom while baking. We're going to now add our Tutti Frutti to our cake batter. And we're going to fold this. To this, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Take your favorite cake pan and grease it thoroughly. And then after that's done, you're going to add your cake batter. I'm going to top off my cake with some extra Tutti Frutti. Bake your cake in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. I've taken out my cake from the oven and now we're going to let it cool down for 15 to 30 minutes. I have taken my Tutti Frutti cake out of the cake pan and I have let it rest on a cooling rack for 5 minutes. It is ready to serve. So there you have it, a colorful, irresistible Tutti Frutti cake just in time to celebrate the Festival of Colors, Holi. I'm sure you'll like it. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And hit the bell notification so you know when I post a new video. Also comment any recipes you guys want me to make. See you next time.